Y'all ready?
Nigga want more cinnamon. Don't give him no more goddamn cinnamon.
I'm gonna feel the big smell.
I want to see this.
That shit feel disgusting in your mouth, bro. Hey, y'all ready? Everybody be quiet. Round two. Alright, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go!
Lamar,
Look at some face.
go see it.
She was trying so hard. It was so funny how hard she was trying.
She ain't got water in the mouth.
Look at Lamar. Look at his
Lamar not swallowing that shit, bro. Lamar not swallowing it, bro. He sitting there chewing it and whatnot.
Don't die over this, Rizzo. I ain't got time to go to the hospital.
I'm not trying to get big.
Lamar, get some more.
That shit all in Lamar's mouth throat, bro.
Come on, Lamar. Keep up, nigga. You did the hard.